Hi everybody, I just wanted to show you how to add a created recipe from a recipe website. Now be very careful when you do this to make sure that the owner of the recipe has allowed you to do this, because once you've added a recipe to created recipes, it becomes the property of Vorwerk, the people that, or the company that designed the Thermomix, makes the Thermomix. So be aware that you may be breaching copyright. Now, with my recipes, it's free for all. Go for it. You can copy them to your created recipes. You can print them off. You can do what you like. So today, what we're going to do is add my creamy coconut curried sausages to my created recipes. So I will go to my recipes and all recipes, not created, don't be tempted to go there, created recipes, and I've got the add button here. Now I can't import, I'm not importing from Cookidoo or the recipe community, I am creating a recipe. And it is creamy coconut, whoops, typing too quickly, coconut curried sausages. And actually, I would really love it if you add Thermo Gourmand creamy coconut curried sausages to show that it's my recipe. And there we go. Now you can upload your own image, that's fine, or you can pop mine in there, that's okay. Now we'll go to a tab. So I'm doing this on my laptop because I just find that a lot easier. Going here, there is my creamy coconut curried sausages. Here are the ingredients. So what I'm going to do is just drag and copy. Control copy on my keyboard, or you could right click and copy and add ingredients, and it's already clicked in, and I'm going to do Control V, which is control paste, or you could right click with your mouse. Now you see how that's all in one big blob? Well, you don't want that. So put your cursor in front of the next ingredient and just press enter. Continue doing that all the way down. Okay, click enter. And when I design my recipes, I do design them so that the ingredients are in order so as you use them, that's how they are in order. Now I'll continue to do that later. So now we need to add the steps. So what we've got, we'll go back to the recipe and again, select it. Now I'll do a right click for you, copy, go back to the other tab and I'll right click and paste. And again, it's all in one piece, but all we have to do is put the cursor in front, press, and we've got step 2. Let me see, did I press? Okay, now you continue doing that so they're all steps. Now the way to add it so that you can automatically do it on your Thermomix, so this chop 3 seconds speed 5 will come up automatically. What you need to do is not copy it, but click in front of it. Remember it, 3 seconds, speed 5. Go to the settings. Now what was it? 3 seconds, speed 5. Tick. Take out this part here. Full stop. There you go. All right, now if we're adding, that's the directions for chopping, but how much onion do we add? Okay, so we go here, go to our scales, and we scroll down to our ingredients and pop it in. Now you're going to have to take out onion. How much carrot? sorry, scale settings, scroll down. There we go. There it is. Take out that bit. How much celery? Whoops, go to scales. Scroll down. There. Okay, take out celery. Now they're underlined, they will come up on your machine. Okay, so I hope that helps you with adding recipes that are either on a website free for all, remember, or if you're adding your own recipes, it's much the same. You would, instead of clicking and copying and pasting, you'd type those things in. All right, so let me know if that helps. Okay. Done. Done.